Intermittent fasting involves abstaining from food for a set period. Thus, intermittent fasting focuses more on when you eat rather than what you eat. The concept behind intermittent fasting is that our bodies begin to burn fat during fasting periods, which is why many people fast for weight loss, considering it an effective method. Additionally, some people fast to promote autophagy, which involves removing damaged cell parts to improve cellular health. Fasting can also reduce the risk of several significant diseases, including heart disease, neurodegenerative diseases, and some cancers. Now, let's discuss the most popular fasting methods. The most common is the 16/8 method, where you eat within an 8-hour window and abstain from food for 16 hours. The second most common method is 5:2 fasting, which means eating normally for 5 days of the week and fasting on 2 non-consecutive days. The third common type is alternate-day fasting, meaning you fast every other day. Weight loss is one of the most well-supported benefits of fasting, occurring due to a calorie deficit during the fasting period. People usually lose several pounds, up to around 13% of their body weight, which is considered very effective. The sustainability of weight loss from intermittent fasting depends highly on an individual's ability to adhere to a strict schedule. However, many manage the 16:8 method by simply skipping breakfast. Alternate-day fasting often results in more significant weight loss, including stubborn abdominal fats, which are difficult to lose. Yet, this method requires strong self-discipline. Fasting decreases cholesterol levels and improves insulin sensitivity by reducing insulin secretion and enhancing cellular response to insulin. It also promotes cellular repair. Intermittent fasting can improve brain function, particularly in producing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that aids in learning and memory. Animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting increases lifespan, and while human studies are scarce, improvements in metabolic and aging markers have been observed during fasting. These markers include blood pressure, blood glucose levels, cholesterol levels, and inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein and ESR, all of which fasting decreases. Some studies suggest that fasting can slow down aging by affecting telomere length and activating certain genes, important for DNA repair and metabolic health. Intermittent fasting may also reduce the risk of cancer or slow its development and potentially improve treatment outcomes and quality of life for cancer patients. Longer fasting periods may decrease cancer risk further due to increased autophagy and DNA repair. Intermittent fasting is generally considered safe. Common questions about fasting include concerns about constant hunger, which can be managed with black coffee or tea, the possibility of exercising, which is feasible with attention to the body's signals, and the effects on metabolism and protein loss. Fasting does not necessarily slow metabolism and can boost it, though weight loss typically involves some protein loss, which can be minimized with adequate protein intake. Intermittent fasting is not recommended for individuals with eating disorders, during pregnancy, in cases of diabetes type 1 and insulin-dependent diabetes type 2 without medical supervision, for children, older adults, those with high stress or physically demanding lifestyles, and for those who find the strict timing difficult to maintain. The success of intermittent fasting greatly depends on the individual's ability to consistently follow the fasting schedule, which can be challenging for some due to feelings of deprivation or the impact on social interactions involving eating.